Usually we do have this intention and action gap in the organizations, because we all want to have a organization where everyone's trusting each other, where we are just like, acting from the space of vulnerability, but that doesn't really happen. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
that's what we see. And
Because
then
I tell you the core reason for this, because leaders just want to share their strong side.
mm,
They want to, like, just like a father at home wants to show that strong side to the child, that I'm very strong. But have you seen, now this kids, new generation kids, I mean, who are just having kids now. Yeah, so this they like, they're okay to talk about their weaknesses. Dad is not good in this. Dad failed in life in this. Dad also had struggles. Similarly, as a leader, you also think that, that, oh no, I am the one, I just need to be like, show my stronger side. No, if you just open that, I also have these struggles. I also sometimes struggle coming to office on time. Yeah. So how I overcome that, this is what the beauty is.
by the way, which one's making you stronger? Like not showing your vulnerability, or opening yourself and being genuine about it, And
Yeah.
I think that's it takes more courage, it takes more
Courage.
strength to be vulnerable. So if we think
Absolutely.
about like being strong, I think being on the other side, being vulnerable, is takes more courage, and I
More
think
courage, yes.
it's making you
And
stronger.
you just hit on the nail, I tell you, because the thing is that most of the people, let's say a business leader, for the leader, it's easier to continue making the same mistake and making sure that nobody finds it out, than admitting that, guys, I don't know, I messed it up, can you help me, can you guide me, let's have a brainstorming session, let's see what can be done. That's
Exactly.
even that needs a lot of courage, and a lot of people are not vulnerable, not because they're strong, just because they are not strong, they don't have the courage. So it's very beautiful. Just hit the nail on the head. Yeah.